ITALJET has always been the mad scientist of the scooter world, and their latest creation, the Roadster 400, proves they aren't planning on playing it safe anytime soon. While most manufacturers focus on practical commuters, ITALJET has delivered a machine that looks like it escaped from a sci-fi movie set. It's a retro-futuristic mashup that occupies the thin line between performance, art, and urban mobility, refusing to blend into the sea of monotonous step-throughs. The first thing that strikes you is the visual chaos, and we mean that in the best way possible. The Roadster 400 abandons the traditional scooter silhouette for a look that blends vintage Italian charm with steampunk aggression. With its exposed tubular steel trellis frame and muscular stance, it's clear that ITALJET isn't just selling a way to get from A to B, they are selling a rolling statement of intent. Underneath that polarizing skin lies a 394 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine that packs a surprising punch. Delivering 41.5 horsepower and 30.4 pound-feet of torque, this isn't just a city crawler. It has enough grunt to handle highway stretches with ease, putting it in direct competition with heavy hitters like the Aprilia SR GT400. Power is delivered through a seamless CVT, ensuring that while it looks like a beast, it remains as approachable as any twist and go. Technically, the Roadster 400 is a marvel, featuring ITALJET's patented DLAS steering system. This two-piece scissor linkage setup separates suspension travel from steering duties, aiming to keep your geometry consistent even when the road gets rough. It's a sophisticated piece of engineering that promises a sharper, more engaging front-end feel than your average telescopic fork, maintaining that quirky character the brand is famous for. The hardware list continues with a set of 13-inch spoked alloy wheels wrapped in chunky tires, 120 section up front, and a wide 150 at the rear. Stopping power is equally impressive, utilizing twin 280mm discs with ABS at the front to bring its 151-kilogram wet weight to a halt. It's a chassis built for riders who actually enjoy the act of cornering rather than just surviving the commute. Inside the cockpit, you're greeted by a modern TFT display that handles all the vital data alongside premium touches like full LED lighting and traction control. ITALJET even looked ahead by making the bike dealer-ready for accessories like heated grips and an anti-theft system. With a 790mm seat height and a 12-liter fuel tank, it's ergonomically friendly enough for daily use without losing its exotic edge. Ultimately, the ITALJET Roadster 400 isn't meant for masses, and that's exactly why we love it. It's a niche, creative, and unapologetically strange machine that prioritizes cool over everything else. In a world of sensible choices, ITALJET reminds us that motorcycles and even scooters should first and foremost be about passion and making people stop and stare.